Welcome to Microwave Reviews. We got pizza tonight. We got the Screamin Sicilian. Alright, the Screamin Sicilian here. It's a cheese pizza. I like cheese pizza because it's a blank slate. You know, you can paint flavors onto it wherever you want. Minutes to microwave, and it's got 710 calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, not for you. Now I get the cheese because I like to put my own toppings on it. So we start with a little bit of pepper. I'm a huge fan. Let's get this nice and peppered up. And just a little more pepper. And a little bit of salt here, a little pink Himalayan. And as always, can't go without a little bit of sriracha. Smell the baguettes in the air.